For years, I carried a bulky multi-tool and a handful of other essentials in a pouch clipped to my belt. It worked, but it was heavy, conspicuous, and frankly, a bit of a nuisance. I started looking for a way to consolidate everything into something lighter, small enough to share a front pocket with my wallet, but still capable of handling the same real-world tasks. Gear Infusion turned out to be the company that made that possible. The first problem I needed to solve was access. I wanted to be able to pull the pouch out quickly and, when I needed to dig out my wallet, let the pouch hang freely from my belt loop instead of putting it back into my pocket. The Hitchhiker pocket clip and the everyday Carabiner solve this beautifully. They keep the pouch secure, giving me one-handed access, but also letting me detach the whole thing in a second if I want to set it down on a workbench or a counter. The second problem I needed to resolve was replacing the tools in the belt pouch. Inside the pouch, the GhostTi utility knife handles the everyday cutting jobs, opening packages, trimming zip ties, slicing through tape. Just as importantly, the short length of its blade keeps me well within nearby Boston's 2.5-inch knife blade length limit, so I can walk around the city without worrying about whether I've inadvertently broken the law. The heart of the rig, though, is the EverRatchet clip ratcheting multi-tool. What changed things for me is the 1/4-inch hex bit interface. Instead of being stuck with whatever drivers a traditional multi-tool happened to include, I can carry exactly the bits I actually use. Torx for electronics and pocket knife screws. Allen bits in the sizes that come up most often in my life, knowing every one of them will seat snugly in the ratchet. This tool also packs in the wrenches and bottle opener I'd otherwise miss from a full-size multi-tool. With a wrench card and a small knifeless multi-tool rounding things out, my whole kit comes in almost a pound lighter than the old belt rig. And because of those hex bits, it actually does more. That last part is what I keep coming back to. I expected to give something up in exchange for a lighter, lower profile setup. Instead, the products from Gear Infusion gave me a kit that's more capable than what I started with. I'm a happy camper. A very happy camper.